Greetings from EarthLab. Today we are going to talk about corrosion of metals. Metals play a crucial role in our daily lives, from the vehicle we drive to buildings we live in. However, over time, these metals can degrade due to a process known as corrosion. In this video, we will explore the different types of corrosion, how they happen, and what we can do to prevent them. Corrosion is a natural process by which metals break down or degrade due to chemical reactions with their environment. This usually happens when metals react with substances like oxygen, water, or acid. The most common example is rust, which occurs when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture, forming iron oxide. Corrosion can weaken metals, making them less strong and more prone to damages or failure. Let's start with uniform corrosion. This is the most common type, where the entire surface of the metal corrodes at an even rate. Think of a metal sheet that gets a layer of rust all over. While it might seem like a gradual issue, uniform corrosion can significantly reduce the metal's thickness and strength. Over time, this can lead to structural problems, especially in thin or critical components. Next is pitting corrosion. Unlike uniform corrosion, which affects the whole surface, pitting corrosion creates small, localized pits or holes in the metal. These pits can be quite deep and are often difficult to detect until they cause serious damage. Pitting is especially dangerous for metals exposed to chloride environments, like seawater, where the pits can form and grow rapidly. Crevice corrosion. Crevice corrosion happens in small, hidden spaces where metal is protected from outside. Think about places where metal parts fit together or areas covered by dirt or paint. In these type spots, harmful substances can get trapped and cause serious damages to the metal. This kind of corrosion often occurs in joints, seals, and under layers of paint or debris. Galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion happens when two different metals are in contact with each other in the presence of an electrolyte, such as water. One metal becomes the anode and corrodes faster, while the other metal is protected. This often occurs when different metals are joined together, like in a plumbing system or machinery. It's important to choose suitable metals and to use protective measures to prevent this type of corrosion. Intergranular corrosion. Intergranular corrosion attacks the grain boundaries of metals. Metals are made up of tiny crystals called grains, and this type of corrosion weakens the metal along the edge of these grains. This specifically seen in stainless steel alloys and can be caused by improper heat treatment or exposure to certain chemicals. These types of corrosion can lead to unexpected failures in critical components. Stress corrosion. Stress corrosion combines tensile stress with a corrosive environment. This means if a metal is under stress and is also exposed to a corrosive substance, it can develop cracks and grow over time. These cracks can lead to serious failures in structures like pipelines or pressure valves. Identifying and addressing stress factors along with proper material selection is crucial to prevent this type of corrosion. Erosion corrosion. Erosion corrosion happens when a metal surface is worn away by the rough action of a flowing fluid or gas. This type is common in pipes and pumps where the flow is fast and turbulent. The continuous movement of fluids can cause the metal to erode, leading to thinning and eventual failure. Regular maintenance and choosing the materials resistant to erosion can help managing this problem. Understanding these types of corrosion help us to protect and maintain our metal structures and components. By recognizing the specific type of corrosion affecting a metal, we can apply the right preventive strategies and maintain practices to ensure safety. Thanks for watching. and subscribe for more videos on engineering and material. See you next time.